Hi, I'm Diane Rogers, and I serve as your president and CEO of the Rancho Cordova Chamber of Commerce. I'm joined here today with Susan Dakazaku of XLeration Services. We'd like to tell you about a new program that we're offering through the Chamber. It's a platform around workshops. It gives you the opportunity to share your expertise on any topic that you feel you'd like to offer, and the opportunity to present it in a very professional manner. Then you'll be able to bring new clients, perhaps bring even new chamber members to the Rancho Cordova Chamber of Commerce. Let me introduce Susan. She'll tell you some more about it.
Thank you, Diane. We're really excited to be partnering with the Chamber about this new workshop series. Again, as Diane mentioned, we are seeking speakers who want to share their expertise on any area of topics. I know that there's a lot of good information out there that we want to share with Chamber members and potential members. Our group is called expandmybrand.biz, and what we wanted to do is help expand your brand to reach more of an audience and to share your expertise, as Diane mentioned. For more information, the series is called What's in It for University. The information is at what'sinitforyou.com. Hope you'll check us out and hope to see you on the circuit.
Right, and join us at National University, as they've provided a great venue for us to present the program.